Hang on. Okay, are we ready now? 1, 2, 3.
We're celebrating the opening of Artemis House in the Mount Vernon Lee district areas. Artemis House is a house for men or women, but principally women who are having issues, challenges, and at risk of violence in their own home. This is a safe haven for them to come in order to, frankly, be able to get their life organized and back together for a period of time, which will then is a transition to a more permanent housing or shelter. When I took office in 2016, I first learned that we did not have a domestic violence shelter anywhere around here. The closest one was Reston. And it's taken us now, almost 3 years, or a little over 3 years, for us to get to this point. And that is to have a place that's also inviting and welcoming, and it's also designed and can support the kinds of needs, the special needs that a domestic violence shelter will have.
I had an opportunity to meet some of victims in this part of the county who had to go out to the location in the other part of the county because they had no other choice. And the effects on them of the trauma and all those other things, logistical things that they had to deal with, unacceptable. And so One Fairfax in action makes sure that people in this part of the county don't have to do that anymore.
And between the help that they get from the county there and the help that's through Artemis House, they can support that individual to be able to move on with their life and to find more permanent housing and to make sure that their support for themselves or their children is there 24/7. We all should want that, and I'm pleased that we now can say that we have that in the Lee, Mount Vernon district areas.